be opening my Life Travel Play set. So let's get right into the video. So, first I have this travel play set, and my dog is aside of me right here. I don't know if y'all can see her. Let me check if y'all can see her. So y'all can see her. Let me move her. So this is her. Yeah. So I'm gonna just move her aside. So let's get opening the play set. So first thing I want to show you is like the bag, I guess. So this is the bag. It's when you put all your stuff in there. Just open it up and then, oh, it has a lot of space. I thought it was gonna be like small, but it actually has a lot of space. Yeah. That is actually pretty nice. Pretty handy and a trick. But let me just put that aside. Next thing we have, it's my favorite because I love, we have stickers. Beautiful stickers. And also next we have candy hearts. Oh my gosh. These candy hearts are hard. So we have these candy hearts. They're so cute. But you can't eat them. Candy hearts, but you can't eat them. And let's go with the flow. And then after candy hearts, we get to use the electronic. And there's a phone, which is so cool. You can call, message, check the weather, shopping, music, and emails. Next you could go, what I'm gonna show y'all is a camera. So this camera, you could take photos and just ding, and then a card will go out. Can these actually take photos? And what's this? I don't know if these actually take photos. I'll show you at the end if it could or if it can't. So next I'm going to do some readings. So we have our passport. Where is she going? We have our passports. We got that. We got these. We got these. So cool. And next we have is our airplane ticket. And it's in like some kind of thing where you can just open it. And then look, I don't know if I can see it, but look. She has a focus, first class, focus. A first class, New York thing. It's so cool. So now we're gonna just cover that and go like that. Next, she has some playing cards, but let's see if they actually have cards in there. I don't think they do. What the guys? They actually have playing cards in here, guys. Playing cards, guys. I thought it was just a box full of nothing, but it's a playing. It actually has playing cards. That is just so cool, guys. I love them. It's like so cute. Next thing, she has some sunglasses. Let's try to put it on her. Come on her. Come on her. Let's see. Put them on her. She looks so cool, like coolie. Okay. I love them. Can I fit on me? Can. Okay. So next thing I want to show y'all, which is so cute. They come together. Toothpaste, and toothbrush. And this can't actually open, but you can actually put toothpaste and brush your teeth. You can't. So now she has some hand sanitizer. You need some hand sanitizer on her hands. And then she has some floss. Floss. Everybody needs floss so they could floss their teeth. Next thing, I think these are to remember her family. Her family and her friends when she goes on her trip. Aww, this is so nice. Well, let me show y'all, because I'm trying to open these. Show y'all How about this? We have this girl with her friend. Oh my gosh. And this girl with her other friend. It's like so cute. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. So let me show you. Bag. Sunglasses. Passport. Another airplane ticket. Passport. Playing cards. Stickers. Hand sanitizer. Toothpaste. Toothbrush. Pictures to remember her family. Fresh mint floss. Camera. Phone. Candy hearts. Let's put them all in. So first thing let's put is some playing cards, a toothpaste, a toothbrush, and also we need some candy hearts. Who doesn't want a snack during the plane? Then you could just clip this on here, I think. Yeah, you could clip this on. So you just gotta open it and then clip it on. Clip it on. So guys, I'm gonna try to clip it on. Let me be right back. So guys, I got it on now. I have to pause the video because I got it on. So now I finally got it on. You can just pull it. Okay. So now we just have her phone. She can just put that in there. Her sunglasses, some floss. She obviously needs her candy hearts that I took out by accident. And her photos of her family. Like, who doesn't want to remember their family when they go out? And then you have the camera, so she can take pictures and send them to her family if they're wondering where she's going when she's there. And then you have some stickers that we could put on here, maybe. Yeah. Wait, can we put these? We could put these on her camera. Let's put them on the back, guys. So she's going to Hawaii soon. Let's go. Hawaii. And France. France. Alright, then let's just put that in there now. And what next we could do is our passport, just in case, and our airline ticket. And our stickers, I guess. Put them in there, I guess. So, that was the whole video of me showing y'all where she could do. And now I'm going to show you the whole doll with the whole kids. I bet you I want her to wear the sunglasses. So I'm going to take out the sunglasses and put them on her. Sunglasses. And make her stand up and I'll show y'all her. I know you can't see her now, but I'm going to make y'all see her soon. Hold on. Just get the bag. Carry on. She can carry it. So she can carry it. So I'm going to make you see her. So guys, that was the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. So that was the end of the video, and I hope y'all liked it. And I hope you give it a thumbs up, and turn on notifications so you could see when I post new videos. Peace.